friends, welcome to my channel and also welcome to crochet tutorials. There are different types of crochet models and also we can use different types of materials. To make all these things or to do all these things, we just need to know 4 basic things. Those are chain stitch, single stitch, double stitch and triple stitch. In this episode, I am going to show you all these things. If you are a beginner, please watch this video carefully. Let's start. This is crochet needle. It has a hook in the front. This hook plays an important role in crochet. And this needle is available in different sizes. Here I am using 14. We also get in 16 and 18. To show you the basics, I am using wool. Take the woolen thread from the starting and just make a knot, free knot. Make a free knot just like this. So free knot means we can make it loose and tight or we can pull it off. Just like this. And now insert the needle just like that and make it tight. Not very tight, little bit loose. You can see here. Holding the thread and needle are very much important in this. So you get 2 threads, right? The short one and the long one. You're leaving the short one and taking the long one and rolling on your index finger just like this to make it little tight. And also we are using the thumb and the middle finger to hold the loop like this. And the needle has little flat place. There we need to hold it. And you can see here we need to take one round of the wool just like this. Yeah, we are doing that in between the fingers, not from outside. That's a wrong way, and you are keeping it inside the fingers and pulling through the loop. When you are pulling through the loop, you get one more loop here, and then you can make it little loose if it is tight, and also you can pull again and again take it and pull again. Just like that, how much ever the length you want, you can make it. Once you finish with your length, you can just pull the thread little up and just make it knot so that it doesn't come out freely. We are done with this chain stitch. For anything, even you make a square or a circle or any other big one, we'll start with the chain stitch. You can see here. Let's start single crochet. As I said previously, first we need to make chain crochet. Make the chain whichever length you wanted. Once you reach your length, in a single crochet, we are just leaving one chain and turning it back. Let me explain to you very clearly. Once you finish the first one, you are going to push the needle in a next chain, just like that, and take one round of wool and pull through that chain and make it little loose so that you get 2 loops, and take one round of wool and pull through these 2 loops and you get 1 loop. Again you are pushing in next chain and then taking round of the wool and pulling out, you get 2 loops, and take one more round and then leave these 2 loops. You have to do again and again till the end. Push the needle in, take the round, then you get 2 loops, and take one round and leave these 2 loops. If at all you feel something went wrong or did not come out well, you can do one thing. You can just remove the needle and pull it off, like whichever part you are not satisfied till then again insert the needle and start doing it. We need to finish till the end. So there's one more chain here. I'm just going to finish it off. So we have to complete whole thing when you are making big, otherwise it doesn't come in straight, it comes little cross. I have done with the crochet. I hope it's clear to you. Let's start the double crochet. First, as usual, we need to make chain. So for double crochet, we are going to leave 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And then now take one round. In a single crochet, actually we just push like this, right? But in a double, we are just going to take one round of the wool and push inside the chain, and then take one round and pull it out through that chain. So here we get 3 loops, right? 1, 2, 3. So we are going to take one round again, and we are leaving 2 loops, 1 and 2. Then you get again 2 loops, 1, 2. And again you take one more round and leave those 2. So you can see the height that we left 3 chains, right? Yeah. And now do it again. Let me explain to you one more time. So take one round of wool and push into next chain, just like this, and pull the thread out. So you get 3 loops here. You can see, make it loose, otherwise it will be very tight, it doesn't come out very well. And you get 3 here, right? 1, 2, 3. And take one more round of the wool and pull through 2 loops, so that we are leaving these 2 loops, and you get 2 more loops, right? You're going to take one more round and leaving these 2 loops also. So keep doing the same thing till the end. So take one round and push into next chain, then pull out. So you get 3 loops here and leave these 2 loops. Take one more round and pull through these 2 loops, and you get 2 more loops. And again take one more round and pull it off. We need to do till the end. Otherwise, when you are making big, it may not come straight, it may come cross. We are done with the double crochet or double stitch in crochet. Let's start triple crochet. As usual, first we need to make chain. Then to turn back, we need to leave 4 chains. Why? Because the height of the triple crochet will be the height of 4 chains. In double, we have left 3. In single, we have left 1, right? The same way, we are leaving 4 here. One, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th one, we are just taking one round of the wool and pushing into 5th one, then pull out. So you get here 3 loops. In double also we got 3 loops, right? Here also we got 3 loops, and here we are leaving 1 first. Yeah. So again you get 3 here and take one round and leave 2 now. Again you get 2. So take one round and leave these 2 also. So the height will be increasing. And again you take one round, place it into next, then pull out. Then you get 3 loops. Take one round, you are leaving first one. Again take one round, leave 2, and take one round and leave of 2. Same way you are going to do till the end. Let me explain to you one more time. Take one round and push it into next chain, then pull out the thread. Then you get 3 loops here. You are first leaving one loop, then take one round, again you are leaving 2 loops, and then again that 2 more loops also. So in double we are going to take first 2 off, then again 2 off. Here first 1 and next 2 and the next 2. Just do it till the end. We are done with the triple crochet. Hope it's clear to you. We must learn these 4 basic models in crochet to do any design or any other thing. Friends, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe for more videos.